Hi, I'm Julissa and I'm so excited to share with you our new Jefa hairpin. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite Jefa inspired hairstyles for any workplace. Hairstyle number 1. This hairstyle is perfect when you're running late and need a last minute quick hairstyle. I just refresh my curls with the Rizos Curls Refresh and Tangle Spray. And then I just kind of slick this side, one of the sides back, and I pin it back just to kind of get some of the hair out of my face and look a little more polished. Ta-da! Hairstyle 1 is done, and now you're ready for whatever may be thrown at you today. Hairstyle number 2. This hairstyle is perfect when you just need to put your hair up a little bit, but you still want to rock your curls and show how great your curls are being today. So just use a little Refresh and Tangle Spray on any dry areas to make sure your hair is absolutely perfect. And just kind of get your bangs, your front of your hair out of the way, like this. You can use a little bobby pin. I like to cross them like this, just because I feel like it's cuter. I kind of cross the pins like that. And then on top, I'm gonna put my Jefa hairpin to secure this even more and to be super cute. All right, all done. Now you're ready to go ask for that raise. Hairstyle number 3. This hairstyle is perfect when you mean business. You really need your hair out of your face because it's one of those days, you know? So here it goes. This is gonna be the half up, half down. I like to take my Rizos Curls comb to kind of create a little part. So I'm gonna do half up, half down. All right, so now that I've parted my hair and have half up, about half down, I take my Refresh and Tangle Spray from Rizos Curls and I'm gonna spray down my hair a little bit to get rid of the little flyaways and kind of make sure my hair is more slicked back, because this is the I mean business hairstyle, y'all. This is my hairstyle that I use when I know I need to get some stuff done. All right, now I take this rubber band, any kind of rubber hair tie. I just tie my hair up right here. And since who likes to see a rubber band, the Jefa hairpin to the rescue. I'm gonna put this pin right up here. I like to fluff the area that I tied up so to cover the rubber band. So all you can see is the hairpin and the curls. And now we're ready. Look, I can do all kinds of activities in this hairstyle. I could get a promotion in this hairstyle. I could run for president in this hairstyle. You can do it all, girl. Jefa, you're ready. I hope that this Jefa hairpin and these Jefa hairstyles inspire you to be the best Jefa you can be. Take up space, don't ever make yourself small, and make sure to always bring yourself wherever you go, Jefa.